Take a ride in the 2017 Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is packed to the gills with luxurious features, yet retains the off-road prowess and rugged, durable nature it's known for. The Land Cruiser's power comes exclusively from a 5.7-liter V8 that churns out 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, front license plate bracket, braking assist, ambient lighting, perimeter alarm, battery saver, power brakes, body color door handles. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.